Now we move to the International Bakery Packaging Machine of the year 2025, recognizing the technologies bringing speed, efficiency, and protection to packaged baked goods. First, we have Alma Packaging and their Arctic Horizontal Flow Wrapper, designed for reliable sealing and adaptable bakery packaging formats. Up next, Karma Group with their CL169 Plus FW749, a flexible, high-speed cartoning and wrapping solution tailored for bakery applications. And here's Greif Velox with the BVP, a precision packaging system built for particle control, speed, and clean operation. And now we feature Multivac with their cooling at packing technology, a system that cools bakery products during packaging to preserve quality and extend freshness. A strong lineup of packaging technologies advancing efficiency and product protection across bakery operations. And the winner of the International Bakery Packaging Machine of the Year 2025 is Multivac's Cooling at Packing.